Hello to all my Lovin light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. This here is green. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, we're testing out the Colorpop It's My Pleasure palette. I had a lot of fun. Only had one complaint, that there was a little bit of fallout in one of the shimmer shades. But other than that, I really like it. It created this awesome look. So if you'd like to see how I did it, please stay tuned. So I already went ahead and did my foundation, my contour, bronzer, a little bit of a highlight, and I did my eyebrows, and I used the NYX Color Mascara in the shade Forget Me Not. Now I'm just going in with this MAC Painterly Pot, Pro Longwear Paint Pot, and I'm getting the base for my eyes. I'm going to be using the Colorpop It's My Pleasure palette. There's the shades there. So I think I'm going to do a cut crease with these three on the top. Use this Catrice and go ahead and draw out our outline for the look. So this is Kitten Fish. It's very pretty, very pigmented. A little bit of fallout in the pan. Nothing on my face. So let's go in with a little bit smaller brush. This is the IT Cosmetics Blending Shadow Brush number 107. We're just going to go into this Fan Fiction, a little bit darker purple. Actually, it's a pink, a little bit darker pink. We're going to go in with a little bit smaller brush. This is the IT Cosmetics Precision Shadow Brush in the number 112. We're just going to go into this dark mauve purple called Sleeper. We're going to get right on the base of that line there. Go back in with the previous brush and just blend it out. Then we'll go back in with the very first color, Kitten Fish, and just brighten up the very outer edge. I'm going to use this fine brush. This is an angled liner brush in the number 122 by IT Cosmetics. We're just going to go back into Sleeper and just darken up the very edge there. I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Infallible Paints Magic Pigments. This is in the shade Do Not Enter. It's basically just a black. I'm going to use the same angled brush. I'm going to go in with the same dark brush that I used on the crease, and we're just going to try to buff that out. Go back into Sleeper. Okay, so now we're going to cut the crease. I'm going to use this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Studio Concealer. This is in the shade beige. And I did cut my eyebrows a little bit. We're going to use this angled brush. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. For the very inner corner, let's go in with Earth Shine. Use the same brush and go into Do or Do. I'm just going to get right in the middle. Let's go into this pink called Bare Minimum. It's got a lot of fallout. And then for the very outer corner, Chiclet, this dark purple. Okay, so this Earth Shine's not really showing up in the very inner corner, so let's go over top with Mr. Sandman and see what that does. Use the same angled brush. Go back into Chiclet, and we're going to drag that across the crease. Go back in with the dark Sleeper and just blend that out. Use this very small brush and go underneath. I'm going to bring the sleeper halfway through. Let's use the same brush and go back into Fan Fiction. We're going to get the inner corner. And I'm just bringing the Fan Fiction up underneath this. And this is actually a paintbrush. It's by Craft Smart. I'm going to go right on the lash line with this darker one called Piggy Bank. NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Oh Put It On. I'm going to go over it with this LA Splash Lip Couture waterproof lipstick. It doesn't have a shade. It's like this purple. now to top it off, I'm going to use this Winky Lux in the shade Far Out. So I'm going to try out this Jeffree Star Liquid Velour Liquid Lipstick and Watermelon Soda. I'm just trying to get a little ombre going on. Alright guys, so that's it. I feel like I'm missing a wing or something. Should I do a big wing? Let's try it out. Okay, I feel like I ruined it. So I'm gonna blow it out with some pink. I'm gonna use Fan Fiction. Highlighter. Let's try out this NYX A Bit Jelly Gel Illuminator. This is in the shade Opalescent. Alright guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. We enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments, so please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I will also be listing all the products that I use to create this look in the description box. And if you would please check out my Instagram and Twitter, there are links down there as well. We'd really appreciate it if you went and followed us there. And in the outro, I'm going to go ahead and include a link to one of my favorite videos. It was the Look Your Worst challenge. So please, if you have time, check that out. You'll find it very hilarious. I had so much fun doing that as well. It was a challenge with a few other ladies, and their links will be in that description box. So I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.